We're going to take Lolly into the wash rack and wash her down. Good girl. Hard to see when the barn's dark and she's a black horse. Yeah, I might want to see her legs. Really nice legs. I don't think we can see. Well, there's Lolly. Hi, Lolly. Can't see her legs. I know. You know you've got a light on your phone. Get in your bath.